cube trying to get these sides back together. Because I've done it twice or once. And so I solved this side and I was going to check to see if it happened again where it has like only the white side here and the like two whites right here or two whites back here. But then I had it like this, so I turned that and I saw that I solved two sides once again. Just like I did with the two lights. Just like I did with this one. Instead of it being green and orange, it's green and white. Which is not solved. I don't know how I did this. I guess I just did the right algorithm. But I don't know any algorithms. I still haven't learned any. But I guess I did the correct one to solve this. This thing is so annoying. The same thing kept on repeating with the same size. And it was getting annoying. But then finally, I did it.